Hello and welcome to KSG News Explainer. In this video, we're going to talk about two Indian beaches being awarded Blue Flag tag. On the 21st of September, the Environment Ministry said that two more beaches in India have been awarded the Blue Flag certification and International Eco Level tag, taking the total number of such beaches in the country to 10. The two beaches to receive this certification this year are Kovalam in Tamil Nadu and Eden in Puducherry. Now, facts to be remembered here are: this was aimed at achieving the globally recognized and coveted international eco-label Blue Flag, accorded by the international jury comprising of members from IUCN, UNWTO, UNEP and UNESCO. FEE Denmark conducts regular monitoring and audits for strict compliance with the 33 criteria at all times. A waving blue flag is an indication of 100% compliance to these 33 stringent criteria and sound health of the beach. The ministry is further committed to develop and deliver 100 more beaches under its ICZM initiative in the ensuing 5 years of the ministry's vision agenda. Now, what is the Blue Flag certification? The Blue Flag is a certification that can be obtained by a beach, marina or sustainable boating tourism operator and serves as an eco-label. The certification is awarded by the Denmark-based non-profit Foundation for Environmental Education, which sets stringent environmental, educational, safety-related and access-related criteria that applicants must meet and maintain. It is awarded annually to beaches and marinas in FEE member countries. The Blue Flag program was started in France in 1985 and in areas outside of Europe in 2001. The program promotes sustainable development in freshwater and marine areas through four main criteria: water quality, environmental management, environmental education, and safety. 47 countries currently participate in the program and 4,573 beaches, marinas and boats have this certification. That's all we could pack in this edition of KSG News Explainer. Stay tuned for more such videos. To join KSG India courses and to crack the IAS exam, visit ksgindia.com. You can also get a PDF of this video on ksgindia.com.